The water cycle is a biogeochemical cycle that recycles water. The biosphere biotic and abiotic components are both involved in the water cycle, which is made up of a series of interrelated channels. Water is without a doubt a critical component of any ecosystem. Water is necessary for life to exist. The water cycle depicts the continual flow of water on Earth and in the atmosphere. It's a complicated system with many separate ways. Liquid water evaporates into vapor, condenses into clouds, and precipitates as rain and snow on the ground. Water in various states travels through the atmosphere or the transportation. Runoff is the movement of liquid water across land into the earth. Hence, alter the water by constructing dams and through water withdrawals. Climate change is expected to additionally affect water supply and demand. Different countries use different amounts of water, but we all tend to use them in the same ways. And some of these actions can impact on the water cycle, generating hydroelectricity, irrigation, deforestation, and the greenhouse effect, as well as motor vehicle use and animal farming. We need to have an actions on this to elude and minimize and protect our water cycle. Industries can recycle their plastic of water or pre-treat their waste of water, that it is easier to purify of drinking water and other purposes. Communities can educate residents about local water resources and work together to implement land use strategies that will work together to implement water supplies into the future. As a human, we can help to solve these problems regarding our water cycle. So there are many ways to minimize your impact. Conserving water, reducing car travel and other reasons for using gasoline, planting with organic gardening materials and not using traditional fertilizers, properly disposing of pharmaceuticals, and finding alternative bars, soaps, and detergents are all ways of decreasing the amount of pollution that ends up in our waterways. Individually, these measures may seem small, but if enough people practice them, they could make a profound difference.